If you're looking for the next breakthrough AI tool, Gistly AI might just be the best new software release of the year. And in this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before you try it. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or just curious about new AI tools, keep watching because there's one feature at the end that changes the game. You can try Gistly AI completely free from the first link below, and trust me, after testing hundreds of tools, this one's worth it. Stick around, especially if you create content online, because there's a twist in how it uses AI that makes it more powerful than it looks on the surface. First, what is Gistly AI? It's a brand new content summarization and repurposing tool designed for creators, marketers, educators, really anyone who works with long-form content. Think YouTube videos, podcasts, blog posts, even Zoom calls. It instantly pulls the core ideas and turns them into digestible, publish-ready formats. The speed is ridiculous. I dropped in a 45-minute YouTube video, and in under a minute, Gistly gave me a concise summary, timestamps, tweet threads, LinkedIn posts, and blog-style takeaways, all tailored for different platforms. And no, it's not just paraphrasing. It actually extracts context and value. Second, the UI is clean and lightning fast. No bloated dashboards, no fluff. You paste a link, select the type of content you want, and it generates everything in one click. It's intuitive enough for beginners, but customizable enough for pros. Third, this is where it stands out. It doesn't just summarize, it repackages. You get quote snippets for reels, short-form captions, newsletter intros. It even suggests hooks and calls to action, which for marketers is gold. Number 4, the AI's accuracy is sharp. I've tested tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT side by side, and Gistly holds up, especially when it comes to tone and topic relevance. If you've ever had to rewrite AI content to make it usable, this cuts that effort in half. Next, it supports Kinda multi-input workflows. You can combine video, audio, and text sources, and it creates a unified summary and repurposing pack. That's huge if you batch content or run a team. The 6th point is pricing. Right now, they're offering a free trial, and no credit card is needed. For what it does, even the paid plans are underpriced compared to what you'd pay a VA or copywriter, especially if you're pumping out content at scale. Finally, here's the game changer. Gistly learns from your voice. You can upload your past content and it adjusts tone, phrasing, and structure to match your personal brand. No generic AI speak. That's something very few tools do well. If you've been overwhelmed by the sea of AI tools out there, Gistly AI stands out by doing one thing really well, turning long-form content into platform-ready pieces in seconds. And it's not hype, it actually works. Try it free using the link below, and if you want to compare it to other tools I recommend after testing thousands of AI platforms, I've included those in the description too. Some of them might be a better fit depending on what you're building. Thanks for watching, and now that you know what Gistly AI can do, go see it in action for yourself.